What is alcohol use disorder? An alcohol use disorder include a level that sometimes called alcoholism is a pattern of alcohol use that involves problem controlling your drinking, being preoccupied with alcohol, continuing to use alcohol even when it causes problem, have to drink more to get the same effect, or having withdrawal symptom when you rapidly decrease or stop drinking. Unhealthy alcohol use include any alcohol use that put your health or safety at risk or causes other alcohol related problem. It also include being drinking a pattern of drinking where a male consume 5 or more drink within 2 hours or a female down at least 4 drink within 2 hours. Binge drinking cause significant healthy and safety risk. If your pattern of drinking result in repeated significant distress and problem functioning in your daily life, you likely have alcohol use disorder. It can range from mild to severe. However, if even a mood mild disorder can escalate and leads to serious problems, so early treatment is important. What are the symptoms? Alcohol use disorder can be mild, moderate, or severe based on the number of symptoms you experience. Sign and symptom may include being unable to limit the amount of alcohol you drink, wanting to cut down on how much you drink or making unsuccessful attempt to do so, spending a lot of time drinking, getting alcohol or receiving from alcohol use, feeling a strong craving or urge to drink alcohol, failing to fulfill major obligation at work, school or home due to repeated alcohol use, continuing to drink alcohol even though you know it is causing physical or social interpersonal problems, giving up or reducing social work activities and hobbies, using alcohol in situations where it is not safe, such as when driving or swimming, developing a tolerance to alcohol so you need more to feel its effect you or you have reduced effect from the same amount, experiencing withdrawal symptoms such as nausea, sweating, shaking when you don't drink or drinking to avoid these symptoms. Alcohol use disorder can include periods of alcohol intoxication and symptom of withdrawal. Alcohol intoxication result as amount of alcohol in your bloodstream increases. The higher the blood alcohol concentration, the more impaired you become. Alcohol intoxication causes behavior problem and mental changes. These may include inappropriate behavior, unstable mood, impaired judgment, slurred speech, impaired attention or memory, and poor coordination. You can also have period called blackout where you don't remember events. Very high blood pressure. Alcohol can lead to coma or even death. Alcohol withdrawal can occur when alcohol use have been heavily and prolonged and then stopped or greatly reduced. It can occur with several hours to 4 or 5 days. And later sign and symptom include sweating, rapid heartbeat, hands, tremors, problem.